Hi, this is a video talking about uh, processing MRP, a thing called system agent, and also you're down at the bottom here, your system monitor. So first of all, I'm going to open system monitor, and you right click on that and go restore. So sometimes whenever you're running a report or you want to see something that's happening, this is the place to come. So for example, you can go to reports. Active is what's happening right at this minute. Historical stuff. Uh, for example, I went to do one here yesterday called Generate PO Suggestions. Now, it came up as an error. That's because there was no PO suggestions, so if that makes sense. And then we also have scheduled tasks. So in the system agent, that's where we define tasks that happen automatically, and they can be entered in by anyone. So, for example, we have a thing called night schedule. So each night we can ask Epicor to do things while we're not here. So at the moment we've got process MRP, generate PO suggestions, and there's another process MRP that's different dates, as you can see. So they're the scheduled tasks, and they obviously repeat. So if I then go to system agent, so system agent has currently got a number of schedules in here. We've got one for every 2 hours. I put in one for end of day Monday to Thursday and end of day Friday because it's finished at 2. And then I also added in like 1 p.m. cut, so we can allocate a report or an activity to happen on any of these schedules. So if I was to click night schedule 464, you'll see here that we've got process MRP. In fact, this last number 3 here one, I could delete that because that's actually a duplication. Anyway, what I wanted to show you lastly then is there may be a time where if you're putting an important order on, that you maybe don't want to wait until the night schedule for something to happen. So we're going to go here to process. Process MRP. So here, now I personally think these two boxes are in the wrong order, for me anyway. So say for example I wanted to start, I could go back a few months and cut off date. I could go forward a couple of months and then I can hit process. To make it run faster, and again you would only ever do this if you put on a job that you needed to push through the system straight away. You can put up to 3 processes in here which will make it run a little bit faster. Now as regards the schedule, this is where you would put in which schedule you would want it to happen on, but for this I want it to happen now. So I'm going to hit the gear icons, and if there was any jobs, orders, etc., purchase order recommendations, it would run through those. So this is effectively a forced material replenishment plan. But again, I'm not. If we wanted to find that we had to do this more frequently, we could actually put this on every 2 hours. So, because this takes maybe 5 minutes to run, there's no point in you sitting here waiting for this to run. We should, if it's happening a lot, we should schedule it and then let the system take care of it. That's the whole idea of it. Hopefully that helps.